Hello everybody, this is Stephanie and you are in my new home. Welcome to my empty house tour. Come on in. Close the door. Okay, this is the foyer and it's new construction. We are really just in here for the first time today and here we are. Now, I'm going to take you and show you really quickly what this house has. And you see the posts. Terry wants to show you guys the posts. And when you come in and you make a right, there's 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. And on the first bedroom here, this first bedroom is bedroom number 1. And it's just a bedroom. We got carpet on the floor. And it has a decent sized closet. Well, actually it's the same size as the one I have at home. Except I have 2 of them at home in the master bedroom. But this one is just one for the other bedroom. And now, we're going on. It has 2 nice windows, some light coming in. And then we have, in between, we have the 1 bathroom. We turn that exhaust off. It has a fan. And that's the 1 bathroom. Pretty nice. I love the cabinet. The color of the cabinet, very nice. And the clothes, it's just a vanity, and I like it a lot. Soft closed door. And we're walking into the second bedroom. The second bedroom. We have to put a light up there. It doesn't come with a light. It's also in the other room. And since this room is a little further back, it's a little darker. But we'll put a light in here and we'll be all right. And again, we have a nice sized closet. I think this closet, in fact, is bigger than the one on the other side. But a nice sized closet that will work very nicely. This room is for guests, of course. And off we go into, if we made the left, then we would be in the laundry room. This is the laundry room. And it has a tub. This basin is for the washing machine. That's for the dryer. And of course, this is the garage. Okay, it's got the little wire racks up there. I don't know if that's going to be sufficient, but we'll find out. And now we're walking through a little alcove, a little area, whatever you want to call it, a little designer area, I would call it. Anyway, coming in, and we make left again, and we have another closet here, which is going to be like a storage closet or whatever we want to call it. Not sure yet what it is, but they gave us another closet. We got the thermostat behind us. Thermostat's here, another boob light there. And the fire, the alarm is up there. Then we walk into this room, and this is the master bedroom. And that is the master closet. And that closet is beautiful. Look at that beautiful closet. It is huge and it's nice. So it could be my office if I wanted it to be. And this is the rest of the bedroom. It definitely will fit a full size, a king size bed in here, and a couple of pieces of furniture. So it's nice. It's nice. And again, All the bedrooms have carpet, all of them. And the other floors have luxury vinyl tile. And then this LVP, luxury vinyl plank. This is the bathroom. This is the bathroom. And I'm going to turn that off because I don't like that noise right now. And this is the bathroom. This is the sink. It has the same, the cabinets have the same cabinetry as the one in the other in the bathroom. And then this is a linen closet. You have a linen closet. There was a linen closet in the other bathroom too, by the way. There's a linen closet. Here's the vanity. Slow close. Supposed to be slow close. Doors. Slow closed drawers too. So yeah, it's a nice, and then the shower here has a little bench you can sit on for old people like us. See the bench? I like the seats. They're 88 seats, so you can just, it's a regular seat. So it's a nice high seat. Our toilet is good for a toilet. And out the bathroom we go. And we keep on going. We come out of the bedroom and past the closet, back into the hallway. We make left. And this is the basement door. So we'll go down there later. That's the basement. We'll go down later. This is the pantry. Got 5 shelves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I guess. 5 shelves with that part down there. And they finished the bottom of the pantry with the same kind of luxury vinyl planking down here. And then we walk into what is the home, what is the heart of the home, which is the dining room area, the living room area with the high ceilings, and of course the kitchen. This is my kitchen. This is my new kitchen. And you know, guys, I love my other kitchen, but I already get used to this one. And it's a whitish gray. It's not quite white, but it's a whitish kind of gray cabinet. And I have a little island here, and behind the island, come Perry. Behind the island, this is the drawers in the island. I got one drawer here. I got one drawer here. Soft close. And I asked for, which was an upgrade in this house, some sliding shelves. So I don't have to be bending all the way down. So that sliding shelves here. It also has a drawer, one more drawer here, which I assume that's where I'm going to put my silverware. And it does have some slidings in here too. And this is a dishwasher, of course. This is granite, and I really like the color of the granite. I'll say that. And it has a decent sized sink. It's a little bit bigger than my sink, well, longer than my sink is now at my old house. Under the cabinet, the sink, we have that. Then we have a Lazy Susan over here. Got the Lazy Susan over there. And we have this stove. Okay, yeah. Then we have the stove. It's a GE stove, which I like a GE, and a GE microwave. And then we have this other piece between where the refrigerator goes and the rest of the cabinet. Again, we got soft clothes, and we also have the bottom where the other stuff is going to go, I suppose. Okay, so yeah, this is what it looks like. The 42-inch cabinets, so they're nice and tall. It's going to be over the sink, over the refrigerator, which I'll never use because I'll never get up here. So it's never going to be used much. And same thing here. I don't know what I'll put up there, but I can't even reach it right now. This might probably be, that's going to be my spice side. I don't know what's going to be on this side. But one of these is going to be my spices. There's the other side. And these cabinets more remind me of the old cabinets I used to have before I moved in my kitchen. So what it is what it is. And I do have cabinet. I do have things up here. I have to figure out what I want to do up here. So I do have an above the sink cabinet, which is good. And then also I have some over here. I can put stuff in here. But I'll figure all that out, guys. You all will see however I decide I'm going to manage it. Okay, now we are going into my office. We're going to get rid of this. I already got something to change it with, because I don't like that. But that's the little chandelier that comes with the house, and that's the ceiling fan that comes with the house. And now we are walking into my office. This is my office. This one opened.
It's locked.
Pull it down.
It's locked.
It was locked?
Yeah.
Okay, this is my office. Look at it, it's beautiful. This is a sunroom and an office. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 windows. Nothing but sun in here, so I can get work done. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I have a TV up there. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with the rest of this stuff yet, but I have a TV over there for sure. And yeah, it's going to be my office. It's going to be my office. So I'll show you guys what I end up doing with my office, but this is my office. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. I love it. And other than going downstairs, that is going to be the empty house door. Now, this is the back of the house, and we got to get a patio or stairs or something to go out. And so this thing has to stay here until then. And okay, then we're going to go downstairs real quick. Okay, we're going down the steps. We are downstairs now. And Perry's just going to walk through the whole thing to show you how big this thing is. This basement is as big as the whole house, the same width of the whole house, which is 1870 square feet. So this is the rest of the basement. And it's cold outside today. It doesn't feel bad down here at all. Doesn't feel bad at all down here. I don't have a coat on, so it really doesn't feel too bad at all. This basement keeps going and going and going. So if it got finished, it would be beautiful space. water heater. I think it's this. Water heater shut off. That's not it. That's for the heater. Water heater.
Okay.
And this is the downstairs. And we're gonna go back up and I'm gonna say goodbye to you guys. All right, guys. You have seen my house. This is what I've been waiting for all this time. This is it. This is the house. And I'm going to be retiring to this house. Here I am. So thank you guys for coming. This is Stephanie in her new kitchen in her new house. So we'll be doing a lot of stuff in here.